Hey guys, it's me and Mommy's video, and we are gonna show all my Lego toys. In the end, we're gonna play.
Okay, hi.
And also we got this guy. This is called the Explorer. Yeah.
Show.
This guy. Hello.
What is the name of that build?
Kuya Lincoln, give me this on my birthday, and there's a forest with it, but I just put it there.
Okay,
See you on the next
so
one.
cool. See you on the next one.
Hello guys, this is Mommy, now yours.
What is the name of this one?
Tank.
Huh?
Hey guys, this is the Lego Indiegogo set. Me and Mommy will play it today. We just built it earlier though. I don't have school for 4 days. And there's Lego. Two vendors, and show them the secret compartment. There's a secret compartment here. Let me show you. Let me show you here. In the other side. You see that? Mommy, let's start going to play. Hey guys, I actually got this guy for just like a lot of money. And Sophie gave me this on my birthday.
We'll give you that one.
Sophie. And here's the monster who came with it. Like,
Wow. Who gave you that gift?
Sophie.
Wow. Thank you, Sophie.
Mommy, next.
Okay.
Hold two cars.
Okay.
Hold this car. Hey guys, this is two racing cars. Cars, and one won the race. Here's the trophy.
Okay.
See you on the next one. This is the Star Wars Lego set. See you on the next one. And this is our Explorer track. And this is a helicopter. See you on the next one. Mommy. Hello guys. This is the big Lego set got for on my birthday
We'll give it to you.
by Oliver.
What
Now
did
let's
it
start
say?
playing. He got a lot of swords and a lightning sword, and also this.
Wow.
And he also got this one on the back. Hey guys, this is the Star Wars play set that is come with this.
Wow.
And there's a package behind with a map. There's something inside of that one. These cars can race like that, so they can do whoever wins. Hey guys. Actually, this car is removable and accidentally just fall off. And look, this is the car. And here's the other car I got from Philippines. And
This is from Philippines?
yes.
Oh.
And also, this one is from Dubai. And there's a figure here. Hello. And there's also something in here. And also,
Horse people.
yeah,
And
but
this
they're ready.
motorbike.
And press this, and there's a little thing in there. Don't tell anyone, that's a secret. But this kind of look like Lego, not Lego. It look like Duplo. Lego size bricks, but it's not. This size. Sorry.
Give me.
this, guys. This is gonna be a big one. I gotta remove some toys.
Show your helicopter.
Guys, and this is the Lego Ninjago. Me and my mommy built it self and there's a little. And also, this is me right here. And also, there's these two. There's nothing else. And this. It's not fun. Just put the sword back. And don't touch that. And actually, you can connect something into this. I can do it, guys. I can do it. Guys, I can do it. Guys, I can do it, okay? Connect the small. And you can take anything here. There's the weapon rack. Ah. Sorry for breaking it, guys, but me and my mommy will feed me. And also, I'll just take this guy's sword, spada. This guy is the dance butler. First, I'm just gonna drink my water for a minute.
How di ba sa itong clear na plastic? Ang Tupperware itong clear.
Mommy, where's the bracelet?
Which bracelet?
No, the bracelet that you gave.
Here.
Mommy, keep the bracelet on you. It's more luckier. Hello. Here is the next toy with this little forest.
You like that?
Yes. Hello, guys. Me and Mom will play with this Lego Ninjago set, and also with the others. So also we're gonna buy another big Lego Ninjago set from Kuya Oliver and feel connected again together. And this guy is gonna have a dance battle, but he falls off easily. But I know a hard way to put him back. Just one. Wait till he shakes. Off, look, then done. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Just falls off at 15. That's a short number. Bruh. And I don't know this guy how it fell down somewhere. Mommy, now let's start. Mommy, it's one now. Mommy, now let's start. Wait for a minute. Just wait for a minute. I'm gonna get the forest near you. Actually, I gotta make a connection. Bye bye. Mommy, I like when we say see you on the next one. Can we do it, okay?
Okay.
And I also got the forest with and the man split and bed box. Mommy, again now.
Wow.
Do the Lego Ninjago. And we're gonna play it today now. The Lego Ninjago set. Set in the Star Wars. Mommy, are we gonna play with the Lego Indiegogo set?
Yes.
Yes. Guess are we gonna play with it or guess we're not gonna play with it? Yes. Yes.
We're gonna...
Guns on the speed. They're knobs actually. Now let's start playing. You can pull something on the back like psh. Mommy, let's have a dance battle.
A what?
A dance battle with this guy.
Okay.
What? Oh my god, I'm blocking his way. First we can, yes. Put this guy here. Look. Wait. Mommy, now let's start. Sorry. Here's the piece. God, unfortunately lost. But here's the piece. Actually, it's right there, bro. But we lost the greatest creation. Yeah. There's something. Oh man, the crystal. Mommy, you broke the crystal.
I didn't break that.
Look, there's a crystal. Just this guy like this. This is Mommy, okay, because he lost his other limb. He lost his limb too. But also look at the bottom, he's so ugly. And now let's look at these guys. Now let's play with this guy. Guys, we're gonna have a dance battle. We're gonna have a dance battle. Bye-bye. We're done. See you in the next video, guys. And tomorrow.
Please follow us and subscribe.
Please follow and like and subscribe.
Thank you.
Say bye-bye, Mommy.
Bye.
Show you also your face.